As the world opens a new chapter in artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things, solutions are more intricate and span multiple industries. It is thus essential to leverage the know-how gained through client engagements. To address this, Intel is offering a set of Intel IoT market-ready solutions and Intel IoT RFP-ready kits to the ecosystem.
MRS and RRK is a pre-certified solution. It's being proved for current business usage. MRS and RRK can significantly shorten the amount of time to get solution ready, and providing a proof point for the solutions can further use in the new areas.
The increasing requirement for vertical integration and horizontal communication has opened up new opportunities for Intel IoT Solution Aggregators.
WPI is a member of WPG Holdings, the world's #1 and Asia top semiconductor distributor. We are happy to play the role of Intel IoT Solution Aggregator. WPI has an arsenal of IT professionals and more than 30 years in semiconductor distribution. As a window to all Intel's IoT solutions, we offer one-stop shopping to customers and the right mix of technology and hardware software edge-to-cloud solutions, even customization suggestion and Intel OpenVINO toolkit support.
In the Intel IoT channel strategy, Intel IoT Solution Aggregators can help solution providers to locate suitable solutions and assist system integrators and customers to identify market opportunities more quickly. To solution providers around the world, Intel IoT Solution Aggregators like WPI could help to increase the exposure of their Intel-certified product offerings to the ecosystem.
Intel market-ready solutions are like convenient and effective toolboxes. WPI is the communicator that connects with all the industry partners, helping us to leverage the toolboxes more efficiently. This breaks the silos, creates synergy, enables collaborations, and unlocks more opportunities.
Thanks to the collaboration between WPI and its partners, more Intel IoT solution-based use cases are being completed and rolled out to the market, with applications ranging from video, retail, industrial, transportation, and smart city.
Take our smart streetlight systems, for example. By integrating with the Intel MRS and receiving WPI support, we can benefit from the sharing of information between all our partners and enhance the depth and width of our client reach.
In the past decades, WPI has expanded its business footprint not only in Taiwan, but also many other regions across Asia, such as China, India, and Southeast Asia.
V-Series International Group is a leading mission-critical ICT equipment and solution manufacturer in Southeast Asia with our headquarters in Malaysia. V-Series and WPI have been working together with trust and remain a very good relationship for years. With the support of Intel RRK and MRS ecosystem, we are confident in bringing more opportunity to our business.
Through WPI and the use of Intel market-ready solutions, we carry out R&D with Intel and a wide array of vendors with software or hardware expertise. From smart home to smart city applications, Mobile's IoT services will be better aligned with the market to make people's lives smarter with IoT.
IoT and AI unleash the boundary of digital transformation around the world. WPI as an Intel IoT Solution Aggregator, we are the best channel to offer most diversified IoT solutions to address your business needs across multiple domains and applications.
People can be more aware about the MRS and RRK, which is available from the aggregator, and be able to understand how to take a benefit from the pre-certified solution, and with the Intel quality and Intel marketing support.
Please join us to explore the benefit of Intel MRS and RRK, and let WPI to be the trust partners of your business.